College Benifibro, Kajimati Amta Result, Jonka TSC, po is Khasi Hill, Jonka post LDA com Typist, Takala make a final result, kami Arhoitek March at Jarpsan, Tanya Packet Kum Gine list, merit list for the post of LDA com Typist 2024, published on the 21st March 2025. The result of the personal interview for the post of LDA com Typist 2024, conducted by the District Selection Committee, DSC is Khasi Hill, Shillong is hereby declared. The list of the successful candidate is recommended by committee in order of merit are as follow. Tang ma menta kanti kenom ai shoot aki kerteng hila ai no daki roll number. Kumban jule man kapor ki ai da ki kerteng menta pada kilash ai tang roll number tengem la shoot ban tip ki de mano kita ki bayo kerteng ayu te kita ki badai roll number ki la ban tip. Kita nak ars pak tam ngut ki pa mi roll the sunlight sound not new not ru not new not ru we not reserve category ta sa check tu ki bade ban check reserve category hadu new win real sun not ru sau pra sun ru not sau lai pongut ki unreserved category ki bahapa ka unreserved category tu lai pongut sun iwe sau sun khandai last and so on Khasi jantia category 5084563997 59127 te tang gitu hi kibade poi personal interview athrai ki tip iron war jona de te gla tip hi 51504 79279 58740 687 5950914 aduh kumba Aspa tam ek ba roll number kena voi ni ar 69983 52758 70834 53596 55424 62805 66321 50500 sebab kena pengut hang 61074 nandu fire sun page 71857 61543 65218 okay 54615 armor PWD 50180 Khasi Jantia Category PWD deaf hard on hearing PWD blind low vision. There are no eligible qualified candidates under the other social tribe, social caste category. Amdon re ki bayna ki wegi OT ma other social caste tribe category mar ba hangne ke janjar banyo mar ba ada kim dei Khasi kim nang matok Khasi kumut ba Khasi language la fil lupa. Te amdon re eligible wero. The recommendation grade shall confirm no claim of payment. Okay. Te tangkin hi baro ki ba la mi merlis kidan kumba ars pa khan rong de jongka LEA com Typist DSC is Khasi. Tangkin hi jumtip kubleshwan.